Drinking coffee in the morning. Coffee is a very popular drink all around the world. Many people like to drink coffee in the morning. One reason people drink coffee in the morning is to feel awake. Coffee has something called caffeine. Caffeine helps the brain work better and faster. After drinking coffee, people often feel less tired. Coffee can also help people focus. When someone has a lot of work or school tasks, coffee helps them think more clearly. It can make it easier to finish tasks and stay on time. This is why many students and workers enjoy morning coffee. Drinking coffee in the morning can also be a nice habit. Some people enjoy sitting quietly and drinking coffee before starting their busy day. It gives them a moment to relax and think. It can be a peaceful time. Coffee also brings people together. Many friends or co-workers meet in the morning to talk and drink coffee. It is a way to connect and share ideas. Morning coffee time can help build good relationships. In conclusion, coffee in the morning is important for many people. It helps them feel awake, focus better, and enjoy a nice routine. Whether alone or with others, a morning cup of coffee can make the day begin in a good way. Popular, popular ពេញនិយម connect, connect តភ្ជាប់ routine, routine ទម្លាប់ brain, brain ខួរក្បាល focus, focus ផ្ដោត peaceful, peaceful ដែលមានភាពស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ caffeine, caffeine ជាតិកាហ្វេអ៊ីន Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Water is very important for all living things. People, animals, and plants need water to live. Without water, life cannot exist. Our bodies are made mostly of water. We need to drink water every day to stay healthy. Water helps our body work well. We use water to wash our hands, clothes, and homes. Clean water helps us stay clean and free from sickness. It is important for good hygiene. Farmers need water to grow fruits and vegetables. Animals also need water to live and grow. Without water, we cannot have enough food. Rivers, lakes, and oceans are full of water. Many animals live in these places. Water in nature is home for many fish and birds. We must not waste water. Turning off the tap when brushing teeth can save water. We should use water carefully every day. Some people in the world do not have clean water. It is important to have them. Everyone should have clean water to live a healthy life. Tap ក្បាលរ៉ូមីនេ Turn off បិទកុងតាក់ Plant រុក្ខជាតិ Exist មាន Hygiene មានអនាម័យ Sickness ជំងឺ Nature ធម្មជាតិ Mostly ភាគច្រើន Vegetables are very good for our health. They give us vitamins and minerals. Eating vegetables every day helps us feel strong and happy. Vegetables help our body work well. They are good for our eyes, skin, and bones. They also help us fight sickness. There are many kinds of vegetables. Some are green like spinach and broccoli. Others are orange like carrots or red like tomatoes. All of them are good for us. Vegetables give us energy to play, work, and study. When we eat vegetables, we feel more active and ready for the day. We can eat vegetables in many ways. We can cook them, make soup, or eat them raw in salads. They taste good and are easy to add to meals. Growing vegetables is good for the planet. They need less water and space than animals. Eating more vegetables helps the environment. It is important to eat vegetables every day. They make our meals colorful and healthy. Vegetables help us live a long and strong life. Raw ឆៅ Spinach ស្ពៃចង្កះ Mineral សារធាតុរ៉ែ Vitamin វីតាមីន Broccoli ផ្កាខាត់ណា Bone ឆ្អឹង Skin ស្បែក Planet ភព Fight ប្រយុទ្ធតស៊ូ Taste មានរសជាតិឬរសជាតិ